Rare earth elements are the unsung heroes of modern technology. These 17 elements are crucial for smartphones, electric cars, and wind turbines. Without them, our gadgets would be less efficient and more expensive. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. These elements possess unique properties that make them irreplaceable. Neodymium, for instance, is vital for powerful magnets in electric motors. Dysprosium enhances these magnets' performance at high temperatures, crucial for EVs and wind turbines. Despite their name, rare earth elements are abundant. Cerium, for example, is more common than copper. However, extracting them economically is challenging due to their scattered distribution and complex chemical processing. The extraction process is environmentally hazardous, generating radioactive waste. China dominates production, thanks to its infrastructure and lenient regulations, controlling 80% of global processing capacity. Rare earths have unique magnetic and conductive properties, enabling miniaturization and efficiency in technology. Neodymium iron-boron magnets are 10 times stronger than traditional ones, crucial for compact, efficient motors. Electric vehicles and wind turbines are major drivers of demand. A single wind turbine can require up to 600 kilograms of rare earth materials, highlighting the intense competition for these resources. China's control over 80% of global rare earth processing capacity creates a supply chain bottleneck. COVID-19 and trade tensions have exposed vulnerabilities, with environmental regulations limiting new mining projects elsewhere. Countries are scrambling to secure their own sources. The US and Australia are investing in domestic mining projects, but the process is slow and costly, leaving the world reliant on China's supply. Electric vehicle motors rely heavily on neodymium and dysprosium. A single Tesla uses 15 pounds of rare earth materials, with projected EV growth set to exponentially increase demand for these elements. Battery technology also demands lithium and cobalt, critical for energy storage. As EV sales soar, the need for these materials will only grow, challenging current production capacities. Smartphones require up to 16 different rare earth elements. 5G infrastructure demands exponentially more materials, with each cell tower using 5 times more rare earths than 4G predecessors. Touchscreens, cameras, and processors depend on rare earths. Indium tin oxide enables touch sensitivity, while lanthanum and praseodymium enhance camera lenses, driving up demand in the electronics industry. Wind turbines and solar panels rely on rare earths for efficiency. The shortage is delaying renewable energy projects worldwide, as the demand for these critical minerals outpaces supply. Energy storage systems also require critical mineral inputs. Lithium-ion batteries dominate the market, but alternative chemistries are being explored to reduce reliance on scarce resources. Recycling programs are recovering rare earths from e-waste, offering a sustainable solution. New mining projects in Australia, Canada, and the US aim to diversify supply, reducing dependence on China. Research into alternative materials and technologies is underway. Scientists are developing magnet-free motors and synthetic alternatives to rare earth phosphors, promising a future less reliant on these scarce elements. Recap: rare earth elements are crucial for modern technology, but their supply chain is vulnerable. The demand from EVs, electronics, and green energy is soaring, creating a perfect storm of scarcity. Takeaway: by investing in recycling and alternative technologies, we can secure a sustainable future. The race is on to solve the rare earth puzzle, and those who succeed will lead the green revolution. Call to action: stay informed about rare earth developments. Support recycling initiatives and advocate for sustainable mining practices. Together, we can ensure a stable supply of these critical materials. Join the conversation on rare earths and their impact on technology. Share this video to spread awareness and drive change. Let's work together to build a sustainable future powered by innovation.